Kodak's key code has been exposed on all negative films since June 1990. In fact, key code is simply a coded representation of the usual edge numbering. Rainbow system has been developed around the Debrie Setter color analyzer to enable key code automation. It's a complete work structure including a rushes gathering table with its Rainbow Rusher software, a logging table with Rainbow Logger, and a system to deal with the data recorded, Rainbow Filer. Let's follow the complete process from the moment the negative has been developed. First operation, rushes gathering. New Debrie equipment has been designed to fulfill the requirements of this operation. A sophisticated motor drive guarantees absolute safety and maintains perfect sync at the end of the roll during splicing. The computer assists the operator. As the sync frame is on the screen, pressing Mark on the keyboard will store the first FCC point. The next step is to run the film to allow the key code reader to read one key number. If no information is given by the reader, one can manually enter the edge number, which can be read directly on the picture monitor. Automatic computation will attribute key code for any frame of the roll. Comments can be stored if necessary. When the last negative roll will be spliced and wound, the film will be ready for grading. Here also the computer assists the operator in transferring data into setter memory. After sync confirmation with the keyboard, grading is only a matter of pressing the FCC or RGB keys when one needs to enter a new FCC mark or a color correction. RGB correction is established, every sequence has its own set of information: RGB, FCC, and key codes for first and last frames. As key code includes emulsion identity, automatic masking correction can be done. Third operation, work print logging. Debrie offers a specific solution for this stage of production. A double drive system, manual and motorized with automatic clutch switching, offers a safe fast forward and reverse transport, plus the flexibility needed for positioning on the splice. Synchronize and log in the first FCC mark. When the key code reader buzzes, one key number can be read and can be stored. If a reading has not occurred, the information can be manually entered. The next splice is brought up to the sync point and entered. This cycle is repeated till the last sequence. Later, it will not be necessary to log the cut negative, because we already have all the data necessary to conform it. For every sequence, we have FCC, key code, fade, emulsion type, comment, and RGB correction. Two editing lists are available, one in chronological order, which will be the conforming guide, and the second one sorted by key code to extract the order of the sequences from the roll in one run. We are back on setter. The procedure is roughly the same as the one used for rushes grading, but but one is not starting from scratch, since the rush's data is available and grading time is now reduced to a simple trimming task. When grading is over, a punch tape is produced for printing, and the copy can be screened by the client. Corrections decided in the projection room will be entered on the spot into Rainbow Viewer or later on any equipment with Rainbow software. The data gathered, from the rushes logging to the answer print correction, is stored on hard disk and is available with Rainbow Filer, which offers other facilities: editing, RGB to BGR coding, subtractive to additive calculation, directory of the film stored, search for a particular key code in the whole film inventory. This package is user-friendly and brings coherent and time-saving, economical solutions to this complex task. The different units exchange data via disk or network.